Hi guys, welcome back to Speak Thai Possible and welcome back to Thai Tone Training with Speak Thai Possible Way. I'm so sorry that I keep you waiting so long until I launch this video, the tone training part 9, but yes, today I'm here. Okay, let's get to the point. Today we are practicing word with low tone and low tone. So remember the model word of low tone, it can be or just make sure that it's lower than your normal voice. And the trick is you need to feel that it's not easy to pronounce. You need to force it to make it low. If it's too easy, sometimes you mix it with middle tone. So it must be a little bit hard, like to make it become low tone. All right. Now I will pronounce 10 words for you first before we move on to the practice. Okay, 10 words today is กระดาษตลาดอร่อยสะดวก70,000อกหักประโยคจมูกสะอาดสนุก Actually, it's not easy at all to pronounce a word with low tone and low tone, but we will make it. All right, same old rules. I will pronounce the model word and you try to fine tune the tone with the model word.
กระดาษ
เออเออกระดาษกระดาษ
ตลาด
เออเออตลาดตลาด
อร่อย
เออเอออร่อยอร่อย
สะดวก
เออเออสะดวกสะดวก
70,000
เออเออ70,00070,000
อกหัก
เออเอออกหักอกหัก
ประโยค
เออเออประโยคประโยค
จมูก
เออเออจมูกจมูก
สะอาด
เออเออสะอาดสะอาด
นุก
เออเออสนุกสนุก Alright, Sky, that's all for today. 10 words. Practice and also learn the vocabulary. If you're not confident with the low tone yet, keep practicing. Don't worry. Don't forget, if it's easy to pronounce, maybe it's wrong, maybe it's middle tone. It must be a little bit hard and it's not the same voice that you normally say. Okay? Make it low, like praying. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.